What's up YouTube, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video about my visit to the Niagara Falls. And this one is also on the ferry, which is the Maid of Mist. While you stand near the Niagara Falls, you can immediately feel the raw power of over 7 lakh gallons of water crashing down every single second. The roar is deafening and the mist hits your face from hundreds of yards away. And the energy is unmatched. So let's get down. So basically there's an elevator where you need to get down and go near the docking place where you need to board the Maid of Mist boat. The charges for this and the ticket price is I think roughly around $125, and this is on the US side. Right on the opposite side is the Canadian side. And and the main differentiation is the way in which the boat color and also the raincoat that you wear. So that is what it is. So the first rule of Maid of Mist is wear your poncho, keep the hood tight so you will get soaked, and no umbrella will save you. And make sure you get another pair of socks, because while we cover yourself at the top of your body, but your shoes and your socks, right, that will get wet. And once you are boarded on the double-decker electric boat, you want to be absolutely at a place where you get to see the best view. So either at one of the sides or at the front, right, that would be the best position where you can check out the mighty falls and also have an uninterrupted view. The roar is absolutely thunder. You can't even see the sky anymore. Just a solid wall of white water and heavy wind. It feels like you're stepping into a tropical storm, and that's what the experience is. You can feel the vibration right through the deck under your feet. This is also close as any human can safely get to the most powerful waterfalls in North of America. As the boat circles back, you can look at the variety of rainbows which the waterfall creates, and that is something which is noteworthy to capture. And if you visit and plan your visits in the early morning slots, right, you can beat the crowd. Make sure to have a waterproof case for your phone. Once you're done with the experience, you can go back to the upper deck and indulge yourself with some nice scenic photos, and from there you can go to the river side, which is almost closer where the waterfall drops, and that is also a scenic place. And you have a pair of binoculars that you can pay and use, and that is something where you can also see the Canadian side, and that is also interesting. And while you're there, you can also visit the Niagara Falls Museum if you want to buy some merchandise or any souvenirs. But my recommendation is not to visit and buy anything over there. Do visit, but don't buy anything, because just once when you finish off your Niagara Falls experience, outside you will have many local and street vendors who will sell the same stuff which is at a lower price. So that was my experience visiting the Niagara Falls, and also experiencing the Maid of Mist. And it was really one of the wonders, and you can certainly experience it while visiting that place. And no video or 4K will make a difference, but yeah, if that's something which is in your bucket list, I certainly recommend that you should have or fulfill one. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.